Hi everyone, John Galvin at Berry Insurance. Today we'll be going over the last myth in our Life Insurance Awareness Month series. Today's myth is if you are a stay-at-home parent without a traditional source of income, then you don't need a life insurance policy. There are several reasons why a stay-at-home parent needs to have their own life insurance policy. While a stay-at-home parent may not be bringing home a paycheck every week, everything that they contribute to the family has a significant financial impact. A stay-at-home parent is typically responsible for childcare, housekeeping, transportation, and a number of other things that contribute to the overall household. If the stay-at-home parent were no longer here, then all of their responsibilities would fall to the remaining parent, who may have to hire outside help to assist with all of these responsibilities. So while the life insurance proceeds would not be replacing a paycheck in the traditional sense, it would certainly go a long way towards helping with the responsibilities of everyday life. In some cases, if a stay-at-home parent has passed away, the surviving parent may not want to return to work right away, as they want to spend time with their family to grieve. In this case, there may be an income gap with the surviving parent, and the life insurance proceeds from the stay-at-home parent's death can help alleviate some of that income gap. One other aspect to consider is the future earning potential of the current stay-at-home parent. While someone may be a stay-at-home parent right now, they may intend to return to work at some point. However, if they were to pass away prematurely without life insurance, their future earning potential for the family would be lost. As you can see, there are a number of reasons why a stay-at-home parent, as well as so many other people, need life insurance. Thank you for tuning in to our Life Insurance Awareness Month Myth series. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our contact information will be in the comments section below.